friends, this is the Cryptonian taking a look at AAVE. Welcome back to my channel. AAVE is looking good, guys. AAVE is currently putting in a little bit of support here at 69 off of the 69.25 support line that I had identified earlier. Currently we're getting a B1 signal on the 4-hour, and this is a preliminary reversal signal, so putting pressure up on the 50 moving average at 72.10, 72.20. So this is good news. It's good news that we're respecting this area that I had talked about before as support. And if we get some kind of some kind of neutral or good news from the Fed today at 2 p.m., if the market interprets what the Fed says today in the meeting as being soft, as being a pause in the interest rate, if they do not raise, then I'm expecting AAVE to push higher and eventually hit this upper limit, which is about 79.38. Could we go past that? It's very possible. It's about 10% up here to the upper resistance area, immediate resistance area in this consolidation range. And so currently we do need to be careful, because this could, if we do get the 0.25% interest rate hike, which is definitely in the cards, but we just don't know. We need to wait and see. But if it turns out to be something somewhat unexpected, and they pause or they don't raise, or maybe they even say, hey, we're done raising for the year, then I'm expecting the market to rally, and probably will, like I said, AAVE will hit the first point of resistance at 79.20, 79.21, something like that, and could possibly even hit 86 once again eventually. So this is possibly a good setup here, and then of course a break below, like if Powell says, Powell from the Fed says something like, okay, we need to continue to raise throughout these next few months to the end of the year or even into next year. That would be bearish. And then of course I don't think the 69.25 support would hold, right? So, but right now, not a bad position to be in. So I'm issuing an alert for AAVE. Keep AAVE on your radar. This is a possible short term. This is short term now, for mostly for like traders or swing traders, day traders or swing traders, something like that. And yeah, AAVE could potentially bring some nice returns. I like AAVE over Bitcoin, and the reason is because AAVE has more volatility and AAVE can bring more returns. But we need to be careful, because we don't know which way the Fed is going to swing on the interest rates. And of course the NASDAQ, like I said, is at resistance. But if the market can hang in there and Bitcoin can turn around, and if the Fed is somehow dovish, then this could turn around. Currently RSI 53, so we're right at that midline, and we're in a confirmed 4-hour bearish trend or correction, but the larger trend is still intact as far as being bullish, of course. Excuse me, short-term bullish. Yeah, so we could move up to this 79.30, 79.20 area, like I said, and then of course we need to be careful for this, right, which would be a head and shoulders, and that's bearish, but it could turn into consolidation if that holds into this area of consolidation. So, and it could be a position, a good position here could be a good position for a move higher, right? A move higher and a trend change. So possibly this is a good place to enter. So not investment advice. Please do your own research and make your own decisions when it comes to investing and trading and buying and selling. Now we do have a short-term reversal here, yellow on the Cryptonian volatility mod, so this could be an early sign of something bigger coming. So, but only if the Fed has a soft attitude towards interest rates, dovish communication today, and so be aware of that. Thank you, friends. I appreciate it. Remember always, Bitcoin leads the market, so pay attention to Bitcoin as well. But just wanted to put this out there. We are still in S1 on the daily now, S1 on the daily. So the 4 hour would definitely be, um, short term. And we are a little bit at resistance here under that resistance line. So we need to make sure that this 50 moving average at the 69.25 price point holds. If that holds, we still have more upside, and I'm expecting a retest of the 79, 17, 79.20 area. Thanks, friends. See you in the next one.